Welcome to the eye-catching tech YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of camping with the most incredible inventions you simply have to see to believe. From innovative gear to futuristic gadgets, get ready to be amazed by the latest camping tech that will revolutionize your outdoor adventures. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the scene, these inventions will take your camping experience to a whole new level. BunduTrail. BunduTrail introduces a game-changer in the realm of lightweight trailers with its meticulously designed BunduTrail Lightweight. Boasting easy towing capabilities, this trailer falls into the lightweight category, making it a breeze to transport. Equipped with a braked axle, it ensures safety on the road. The two suspension options, spring for dirt road off-road adventures and air for extreme off-road terrains, provide versatility for diverse journeys. What sets it apart is the built-in electrically operated rooftop tent, offering convenience and comfort. The trailer features a spare wheel carrier at the back, a fully equipped kitchen, trailer cover, suite floor, and awning side panels. Compliant with electronic and gas regulations, BunduTrail ensures adherence to destination country specifications. Adventure enthusiasts can now embrace the road with confidence thanks to BunduTrail's innovation and functionality. JetBoil Micro-MO Cooking System. The JetBoil Micro-MO Cooking System redefines convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. This lightweight marvel packs power and efficiency seamlessly into its design, making it an essential companion for campers. Utilizing powerful flux ring technology, it ensures rapid boiling and unmatched simmer control, maintaining consistent performance even in chilly conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The 0.8-liter flux ring cooking cup, accompanied by an insulating cozy, eliminates the need for an extra pot, allowing users to boil water and keep it warm efficiently. With a robust power output of 1.75 kilowatt, this camping stove boasts a remarkable boil time of just 2 minutes and 15 seconds per 0.5 liters. JetBoil Micro-MO sets a new standard for on-the-go cooking systems, combining portability, power, and precision. KingCamp Glamping Bell Tent. Experience the epitome of outdoor luxury with the KingCamp Glamping Bell Tent. Crafted with an eco-friendly mindset, this opulent shelter is constructed from 100% biodegradable pure cotton material, aligning with a commitment to sustainability. Its spacious design comfortably accommodates 8 to 10 people, making it an ideal choice for group camping adventures. The tent's luxurious architecture ensures excellent ventilation and natural lighting, transforming your camping experience into a 5-star retreat away from home. Supported by a robust steel frame, the KingCamp Glamping Bell Tent provides reliable and sturdy support, promising a hassle-free camping escapade. Elevate your outdoor experience with this lavish tent, where comfort meets eco-conscious design for an unforgettable glamping experience. Wildland Voyager Pro 140. Introducing the Wildland Voyager Pro 140, a game-changing addition to the world of outdoor exploration. This new size of the Wildland fold-out style hard-shell roof tent is tailored for all-purpose adventures, combining a compact folding design with easy vehicle roof mounting. Its space-efficient construction makes it perfect for extended road trips and outdoor camping, ensuring you make the most of your journey. The Voyager Pro 140 employs high-polymer active moisture-wicking film technology, enhancing ventilation for a comfortable night's sleep. With outstanding static water pressure and surface moisture resistance, it effectively combats condensation issues. Accommodating 2 to 3 people, this innovative tent redefines convenience, making it the go-to choice for adventurers seeking both versatility and comfort in their outdoor pursuits. Haven XL. Meet the Haven XL, redefining comfort in outdoor accommodations. Tailored for those who appreciate a more expansive sleeping platform, this design is perfect for larger frames. Offering the same functionality as the original Haven, but with added space, it ensures a roomier experience without compromising on packability. The increased sleeping platform size caters to those seeking extra room to stretch out while maintaining a convenient pack-and-go design. With a remarkable 4,000 mm waterproofing for the rainfly, the Haven XL stands resilient against the elements. It also features a zip-up bug net, ensuring a bug-free haven during your outdoor escapades. Elevate your camping experience with the Haven XL, where spaciousness meets functionality for a night under the stars like never before. Kodiak Canvas Flex Bow Tent. Embark on a camping adventure with the Kodiak Canvas Flex Bow Deluxe 8-person tent, an epitome of durability and craftsmanship. Constructed from superior marine-grade 100% cotton duck Hydra Shield canvas, this tent ensures a robust and enduring shelter for outdoor enthusiasts. The custom-woven treated canvas boasts a double fill design, enhancing strength and durability. The silicone dry finish treatment not only makes it watertight but also breathable, offering a comfortable and weather-resistant haven. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, the Kodiak Canvas Flex Bow Tent stands out in its league, providing a reliable and spacious camping solution for up to 8 people. Experience the outdoors with confidence and comfort in this well-engineered canvas tent, where quality and functionality converge for an unforgettable camping experience. NEMO Forte Endless Promise. NEMO's Forte Endless Promise embodies a commitment to environmental stewardship and a sustainable future for outdoor enthusiasts. With a focus on reducing resource consumption and minimizing gear and landfills, NEMO pioneers eco-conscious designs for the modern adventure. The waterproof breathable hood and footbox ensure optimal comfort, making it an ideal shelter for solo explorers. NEMO's dedication to preserving the planet resonates through the Forte Endless Promise, aligning outdoor passion with environmental responsibility. Embrace the spirit of adventure while treading lightly on the earth, knowing that NEMO's Forte Endless Promise reflects a commitment to a more sustainable and responsible outdoor experience for today and countless tomorrows. Frontier Plus. Discover the Frontier Plus, a revolutionary portable wood-burning stove that elevates outdoor cooking and heating experiences. This next-generation stove is designed for versatility, fitting seamlessly into tents, tiny homes, teepees, cabins, or serving as an adventurous outdoor cooking companion on your deck. The Frontier Plus features a glass door with an air wash system, ensuring a clear view of the flames at all times. With an air vent on the door for precise temperature control, adjustable legs, and a 4-inch flue, this stove provides flexibility in various settings. The included tools allow for easy adjustments, offering convenience in managing bolts and legs. Operating on wood or eco-fuel, the Frontier Plus boasts a heat output of 3.5 kilowatt, making it the ultimate choice for portable and efficient outdoor heating solutions. Skycamp NX Room. This Skycamp NX room is your key to added comfort and space during outdoor adventures. This rooftop tent NX provides extra room on the ground, offering privacy for quick changes and waterproof protection from the elements. Crafted with durable aluminum poles, the NX room seamlessly integrates with your rooftop tent, creating a versatile outdoor living space. Elevate your camping experience by adding a touch of luxury with this Skycamp NX room, allowing you to spread out and enjoy the surroundings with a footprint of 108 square feet. Whether you need a private area for changing or desire shelter from unpredictable weather, this NX room enhances your rooftop tent experience, providing both convenience and protection during your outdoor escapades. BioLite KettlePot. The BioLite KettlePot revolutionizes outdoor cooking with its innovative design and versatility. Specifically crafted to meet the demands of outdoor meals, this cookware seamlessly combines the functions of a kettle and a pot. Its unique design allows for easy pouring like a kettle while offering the cooking capabilities of a pot, making it a true grab-and-go system for outdoor adventures. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the KettlePot boasts a generous 1.5-liter capacity, catering to all your cooking needs. What sets it apart is its space-saving design and versatility, doubling as a carrying case for the BioLite Camp stove. With its practical features and thoughtful design, the BioLite KettlePot is a must-have addition to any outdoor cooking arsenal, offering convenience and functionality wherever your adventures take you. Autohome Overcamp. Experience the future of outdoor living with the Autohome Overcamp, a cutting-edge rooftop tent that seamlessly blends innovation with simplicity. Setting up camp has never been easier. Closed on the roof, the Overcamp is compact and effortlessly opens automatically until the ladder touches the ground, eliminating the need for ropes, tie rods, pegs, or hammers. Autohome prioritizes simplicity without compromising on safety and comfort. This roof tent provides the ultimate convenience while delivering the secure and comfortable shelter only a rooftop tent can offer. Adding to its appeal, the Overcamp allows for additional storage capacity on the roof rack, facilitating the transport of sporting equipment like bicycles, canoes, surfboards, or hang gliders. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Autohome Overcamp, where cutting-edge design meets hassle-free camping. QuiteLite Quick Cabin. Introducing the QuiteLite Quick Cabin, a game-changer in the world of modular and lightweight shelters. This cabin stands out for its ruggedness, insulation, and effortless setup. The complete kit requires only a screwdriver for assembly thanks to its innovative design. UV-treated components ensure longevity, making it a reliable and durable shelter for various outdoor scenarios. With the option to add up to 2 extension kits, each increasing the length by 2 panels, the Quick Cabin offers customizable space to suit your needs. The lightweight aluminum framework of the roof easily assembles, while an LED light ring around the vent provides ample lighting for the entire shelter. Elevate your outdoor experience with the QuiteLite Quick Cabin, where convenience meets durability for versatile and comfortable shelter solutions. Fireflower Spark. Meet the Fireflower Spark, your ultimate companion for outdoor gatherings. This portable fire pit and grill combo redefine versatility with a sleek, modern design. Seamlessly transitioning between a fire pit and a grill, the Spark is easily transported and set up anywhere, making it the perfect accessory for everyone to enjoy. Crafted from durable, high-quality, and risk-proof 14-gauge 304 stainless steel, this portable wonder ensures longevity and hassle-free maintenance. The tool and bolt-free assembly add to its convenience, while the included pair of leather gloves enhances safety. Whether you're creating a warm ambience or cooking up a storm, the Fireflower Spark combines functionality and style for an unparalleled outdoor experience. Light, portable, and efficient, the Spark is a must-have for those who appreciate the finer moments around the fire. Everglow Light Tube. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the Everglow Light Tube, a revolutionary inflatable light source that combines directional and lantern-style lighting. Designed for ease of use, this light tube runs on a 6 watt-hour power usage, providing an efficient white LED light of up to 270 lumens. Perfect for camping, the inflatable chamber softens harsh light, creating a comfortable ambience. Powered by a USB input, inflation and deflation are quick and easy, complemented by a Hypalon carabiner loop for versatile hanging options. Water-resistant and equipped with a dimmer switch for brightness control, magnetic attachment points, and compatibility with USB-powered devices, the Everglow Light Tube is a must-have for illuminating your outdoor escapades. With patent-pending technology, this versatile and portable light source is a game-changer for adventurers seeking convenient and innovative lighting solutions. Mogics Carsule Pop-Up Cabin. Revolutionize your outdoor experience with the Mogics Carsule Pop-Up Cabin, a game-changing addition for cars with tailgates that swing up. Unlike conventional tents designed solely for sleeping, the Carsule provides an outdoor living room, offering mobility with its simple installation for easy movement. Overcoming the challenge of designing a pop-up space with a 2-meter height, Mogics has translated innovation into reality through persistent trials and errors. The Carsule features robust waterproof flooring, ensuring a dry and comfortable environment, and includes an integrated mosquito net for added protection. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Carsule, where convenience, mobility, and spacious design converge to redefine your car camping experience. Welcome a new era of tailgate camping with Mogics Carsule, where outdoor living meets versatility. Coleman Galiano 2 Tent. Experience instant outdoor shelter with the Coleman Galiano 2 Tent, designed for swift setup and easy transportation. This lightweight tent enfolds in moments and compacts neatly for hassle-free storage. The fully sewn-in ground sheet provides protection from bugs and water, ensuring an extra level of comfort during your outdoor stay. Safety is paramount with the fire-retardant material, preventing dangerous flare-ups and allowing for a controlled self-extinguish in emergencies. The fast-pitch trademark technology ensures a quick setup for those impromptu getaways, while the fiberglass poles guarantee flexibility and resilience against wind and storms. Accommodating 2 persons, the Coleman Galiano 2 tent combines convenience, safety, and efficiency for a memorable outdoor experience. Elevate your camping adventures with a tent that prioritizes ease and comfort without compromising on durability. Joolca Ensuite Single. Transform your outdoor adventure with the Joolca Ensuite Single, a vehicle-mounted shower tent that brings unparalleled comfort to your open-air bathroom and washing setup. Designed for easy use, this quick-to-erect tent allows you to build the ultimate outdoor sanctuary. Enjoy the luxury of a rain spray shower at your chosen water flow rate, creating a refreshing experience every time. Paired with the hot tap system, the Joolca Ensuite Single ensures you have a 15-hour hot shower from a standard 9 kilograms gas cylinder. Immerse yourself in ultimate comfort, making your ensuite a cozy retreat in the great outdoors. Elevate your camping experience with this efficient, easy-to-use shower tent that combines convenience with luxury, ensuring you can relax and rejuvenate after every adventure. Rapide SL Insulated. Embark on any adventure with the Rapide SL Insulated, a sleeping pad that epitomizes lightness, toughness, and performance. With an R value of 4.8, it's a 3-season companion that excels in insulating against the elements. The quilted top ensures a pillowy sleeping surface, adding a touch of luxury to your outdoor rest. Crafted from durable, super light nylon double ripstop, this sleeping pad stands up to the rigors of any journey. Its dual layers of heat-reflective film provide superior insulation without compromising on packability. The proprietary offset I-beam construction not only reduces weight but also ensures consistent stability and comfort. Whether you're on a backpacking expedition or a camping trip, the Rapide SL Insulated guarantees a comfortable and restful night, enhancing your outdoor experience with its exceptional design and functionality. LifeStraw GO Series. Meet your ultimate travel sidekick, the LifeStraw GO Series. This 18 ounces stainless steel BPA-free bottle is your on-the-go solution, filtering out contaminants from airport bathrooms to taps in Mexico or roadside stops. The slim design conveniently fits into most car cup holders, making it the perfect companion for road trips. The advanced 2-stage filter enhances taste and shields against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, chlorine, silt, sand, and cloudiness. The membrane microfilter boasts an impressive 99.99% protection against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, silt, sand, and cloudiness, while the activated carbon filter tackles chlorine, organic chemicals, and odors for an improved taste. With a membrane microfilter lifespan of up to 1,000 gallons, the LifeStraw GO Series ensures clean, safe hydration for your every journey.